हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अगेन। अगर आपको ये क्रिएटिव वेब एनिमेशन पसंद है तो ये वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखना। So let's create a spider clock animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this unique project will feature a creative clock design inspired by a spider where the clock hands move like a spider legs and creating an eye-catching and animated effect. So let's get started. Project is perfect for practicing both animation and functionality while adding a creative twist to a traditional clock. So let's get started. The very first we need what HTML part. So this HTML code creates an animated spider shaped clock using SVG and GASP, which are used for animation. So it has a circular gear hand for hours, minutes, and seconds, and a spider body in the center. So the filter tag elements and add soft shadow or glow effects, while the path tag and use tag here we have in the HTML file we have two tags, which is use tag and path tag. Okay, so these tags are used to define and reuse SVG shapes. And the JavaScript animates the spider and cloak hands in real time, making it look alive and constantly moving. So this is our HTML code you can see on the screen. So I don't worry guys, I will share all the codes in my description box also. Please check and enjoy the code. And then next is CSS part. So this CSS centers the clock on the screen and give it a dark minimal gradient background. The body uses flex box to align everything perfectly in the middle, while dot V line add a faint vertical guideline currently hidden. So dot GASP wrapper and its inner elements hash W body and watch. Here we have a watch. Keeps the clock SVG properly scaled and responsive, adjusting the size based on screen orientation and clean center look. So this is our CSS file. Okay. And then next is moving on JavaScript. So JavaScript controls the entire spider clock animation using GASP. The first selects all SVG parts like face, hand, etc. and stores their shape. Then it sets the initial clock the position and starts animation when page loads. The start animation function constantly rotate the uh, second, minutes, and hour hands in a real time based on the system clock, while also making parts like spider face and legs morph slightly for lifelike effects. Timeline is TZ0, TZ1, etc., TZ2. Keep repeating the motion smoothly, giving the spider clock an endless realistic ticking animation. So this is our JavaScript code. Okay. And then this is all our JavaScript code. Okay. So in the conclusion, creating a spider clock animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript has been a fun and imaginative project. By blending creative design with the real-time functionality, we have built a clock that does not tells time but also captive intention with its spider-inspired motion. So if your project has problem, don't worry, just click on the link which is given in the description, and then download the source code and face your coding challenges with excitement. Have fun coding. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.